Be still, just for a moment. Feel the chair beneath you. Notice the air on your skin. There is nothing else you need to do right now. Nothing to fix, nothing to solve. Simply be here. In this single, quiet moment, there is a profound peace available to you. It has always been here, waiting just beneath the surface of your thoughts. Your breath is the most overlooked miracle in your life. It happens automatically, without any conscious effort from you. It has been with you through every joy, every sorrow, every moment of your existence. But what happens when you bring your awareness to it? What happens when you shift your breath from an unconscious process to a conscious act? A profound transformation begins to unfold. Your breath is the anchor to the present moment. It is always happening now. To feel your breath is to be fully present. Let us now learn a simple practice. It requires nothing but your willingness to try. This is not about achieving a special state. It is about gently bringing your attention to what is already here. Find a comfortable position. You can sit on a chair with your feet flat on the floor, or you can sit on a cushion on the ground. Rest your hands gently on your knees or in your lap. Allow your back to be straight but not stiff. Close your eyes or lower your gaze softly. Now, bring your awareness to your breath. Just notice it. Feel the sensation of air entering your nostrils. Notice the coolness. Follow the breath as it travels down into your lungs. Feel the gentle expansion of your chest and belly. Then, feel the release as you exhale. Notice the warmth of the air as it leaves your body. Feel your belly softly contracting. Just observe this natural rhythm for a few moments. This is your life force. Inhale slowly through your nose to a count of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now hold gently for 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale to a count of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Feel the release. Imagine your senses are like windows. Through these windows, you perceive the world. You see, hear, taste, touch, smell. Over time, these windows can become smudged and dusty. Perception becomes distorted. Deep, conscious breathing is like a gentle cloth that cleans these windows. With each slow inhale, you draw in fresh, clean energy. With each long exhale, you release the dust and clutter. As you continue to breathe consciously, the windows begin to clear. Your senses awaken. The world brightens because you have changed. Within your body, there is more than just bones, muscles, and organs. There is a subtle energy system. Ancient traditions call these centers chakras, wheels or vortexes. You can imagine 7 spinning wheels of light along your spine. Root, sacral, solar plexus, heart, throat, third eye, crown. When these centers are open and balanced, prana flows freely. As you breathe deeply, direct healing energy with intention. Imagine each chakra glowing brighter with every inhale. The world you see is simply the most dense layer of reality. Imagine existence like a great building with many floors. The physical plane is the ground floor. Above it are finer planes, mental and spiritual. Everything physical first exists on a higher plane. The idea is the blueprint. The object is its manifestation. Your thoughts and beliefs form a powerful energetic blueprint. The universe, as energy, responds to that blueprint. The entire universe is in a constant state of vibration. Everything is energy, and all energy vibrates at a frequency. Low emotions pull your frequency down and feel heavy, like attracts like. This is the law of resonance. Higher emotions create harmony. Life feels light, expansive, free. Your breath is the tuning key for your personal frequency. Deep, calm breathing signals safety and stills the mind. By managing your breath, you manage your vibration and what you attract. These ideas are not new. They are hermetic. They date back to ancient Egypt and Greece. The Kybalion summarizes 7 timeless principles: the law of vibration, the law of mentalism, The all is mind, the universe is mental. Your thoughts are ripples in the universal mind. From breath to faith, your frequency shapes your reality. The Kybalion is not dogma, it is a key. You now have the understanding and a simple practice to begin this journey of alignment. Take just 1 minute. Set a timer if you wish. Close your eyes. Inhale through your nose for a count of 4, feeling your belly expand. Hold for a count of 4. Then exhale slowly for a count of 6, making a soft whoosh. Use this minute in the morning, before a meeting, or before sleep. The journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single breath. Take that breath now.